In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a section in Elementor. For this, head over to your Elementor editor. Once you are here, to add a section, simply click on the plus icon in the place where you want to add your section, and you will be able to see two options. The first one is Flexbox, and the second one is Grid. I will explain both of them to you one by one. First of all, let's click on Flexbox. Flexbox is a type of one-dimensional section, and as you can see here, it provides different layouts. You can select a single container that heads in a certain direction, or you can select a multiple container layout. I'm going to choose this two container layout. In Flexbox, you can add things to your container in sequence. You can select your container from here like this, and then from the left-hand side of your screen, click on Style. From there, you can make changes for any part of this section, such as changing its background color or even increasing or decreasing its length. Other than that, you can also add elements to your section. For example, if I add a heading to my first container, then I can add another heading to the same container again, or even add another element such as an image. You will see that all of these items are added in sequence. Flexbox is really good if you want to create simpler sections. Now close it and click on the plus icon again, then this time select Grid. After that, choose a layout for the grid just like you did for Flexbox. I'm going to select a two-container layout again. Grid is a type of two-dimensional section, and it is better suited for complex designs because you can merge items between containers if you want. In Grid, you cannot edit the properties of these two containers separately in the same way, but you can merge items across them for more advanced layouts. For example, if I add a heading element inside my first container, and I also want to extend it into the second container, I can do this by going into the Advanced section on the left-hand side of the screen. Inside there, you will find Grid Item, and under that you can select Column Span or Row Span to decide how much area you want your element to extend into. Again, for example, if I add an image inside the next container, I can then go to the Advanced section again and expand it into other areas by adjusting the column span. Using this method, you can keep some elements small and others large, just like layouts you see in magazines, portfolios, or similar complex designs. And this was the complete tutorial on how to add a section in Elementor, while also explaining the two different types of sections and in what situations they can be used.